think fruits are just sugar and water. You're wrong. They're sophisticated delivery systems for phytochemicals. These compounds evolved over millions of years to protect plants, and now they protect you. Today, we decode the 8 fruits that trigger natural healing at a cellular level. First, we must understand the enemy, oxidative stress. Free radicals are unstable atoms that steal electrons, damaging your DNA. Fruits provide the antioxidants that neutralize these invaders before the damage is done. But not all fruits are equal. Some target specific biological systems. Let's look at the molecular champion for your brain, the blueberry. They contain anthocyanins, molecules that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. Fruit 1. Kiwi. Known in biology as a master of DNA repair. Fruit 2. Pineapple. Contains bromelain, a proteolytic enzyme. Fruit 3. Pomegranate. Rich in punicolagens for cardiovascular health. Fruit 4. Papaya. Its enzyme papain is a master of protein digestion. Fruit 5. Avocado. Technically a fruit, it's the king of bioavailability. Fruit 6. Tart cherries. They contain natural melatonin and anthocyanins for recovery. Fruit 7. Apples. The skin is loaded with quercetin, a natural antihistamine. And Fruit 8. Watermelon. High in L-citrulline for nitric oxide production.
But wait, isn't fruit just sugar? Let's decode the fructose myth. Refined sugar hits your liver like a freight train. Fruit is different. Fruit comes with a metabolic shield, soluble and insoluble fiber. This fiber slows down sugar absorption, preventing the insulin spikes that cause inflammation. Next, we unlock nutrient synergy. Some fruits work better as a team. Take vitamin C from citrus. It increases the absorption of plant-based iron by 300%. And remember the Avocado Hack. Healthy fats are required to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Without the right fat, those powerful healing antioxidants might just pass right through you. Now, the science of consistency. Healing isn't an event, it's a molecular habit. Eating these 8 fruits once won't fix your DNA. You need sustained phytochemical levels. When your blood is constantly rich in polyphenols, your cells stay in repair mode. This is the secret to longevity, providing the raw materials for cellular regeneration. You are literally building your future body with the molecules you eat today. Don't just eat for taste, eat to recode your biology. Now you understand the biological why behind nature's 8 most powerful healers. If you want to continue decoding the secrets of your body, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm deliver this science to more people who need to hear it. Click subscribe and join our community of biological investigators. We unlock a new secret every week. Don't miss the next decoding. Check the description for the full molecular bibliography of today's study. What part of your body should we decode next? Let me know in the comments. I'm at What Happened to You. Thank you for investigating your biology with me. Watch these next to keep decoding.